Hey guys, this is Anaga and welcome to my kitchen. So anytime I travel to a new place in the world, the first thing I do is go visit a grocery store or a farmer's market because I feel that's the easiest and the quickest way to learn about any culture or society. Street food is probably the quickest introduction to any new cuisine. So today we're making the most famous street food from the streets of Bombay, the famous Vada Pav. I'll tell you a secret. It's super simple. You make the filling with potatoes, you make the chickpea batter, you dip the filling in the batter and you fry it. It's that simple, seriously. For the vada, we need potatoes that are boiled and mashed. We will temper them with some turmeric, mustard seed, curry leaves, ginger, garlic, and green chili paste, some asafoetida, a pinch of sugar, lime, and some cilantro. For the vada cover, we will take the chickpea flour, water, salt, and baking soda and make a thick pancake-like batter. We won't add any turmeric to it because the soda reacts with the turmeric and makes the vada look really ugly red color. In the mortar and pestle, I have added some green chili, some garlic, and some salt, and I'm going to pound it to make a coarse paste. You can always use a blender, but I feel this gives the best taste. So our garlic and chili paste is ready. I wish you guys could smell it. It's amazing. And in the same mortar pestle, I'm going to also pound some ginger pieces. The reason we did it separately is because the ginger retains its flavor if it's not heated a lot. We'll add some turmeric, some hing, the garlic and chili we had pounded, and heat is off because we don't want it to burn. To the mashed and boiled potatoes, we will add this mixture, which had mustard seeds, turmeric, curry leaves, garlic and chili paste, some asafoetida. We will also add some pounded ginger, chopped cilantro, a pinch of sugar, some salt, and a squirt of lime juice. Now we will mix this all together. The mixture is ready. Now I'm going to make, small round balls like this while the oil is heating for frying the vada. You could make it round or you can make it a little flat because you're going to sandwich it between in a dinner roll like thing. It's called Paav. And did you guys know Paav and potatoes both are not indigenous to India, but this is so indigenous to India. It's crazy. Also, you add the haldi or turmeric to the oil because haldi or turmeric, the curcumin, the active ingredient, gets activated when it hits the fat. So either drink it in form of turmeric milk with warm milk, or you make sure that you add it to a hot oil. Ready? Now I'm going to make the batter. For the filling, I have the chickpea flour here. I'm going to add salt, and you can either add a pinch of baking soda, or this is called Eno. You get it in Indian store. And what that does is makes the cover or the casing a little fat, and that's how I like it. If you don't care for it, you can just make the dough with just water and salt, and you're good to go. It's important that you add water little by little because that helps with making sure that there are no clumps in the batter. If you add all the water at once, I think it gets trickier. I have 3 boxes. This one is what I use every day. This has some rarely used whole spices like this lichen or stone flower, and these are the whole spices that I use more regularly. I have my oil here heating with vada is these fried green chilies. I'm going to fry them and just put some salt on it. You have to be very careful because they pop when you fry them, so you want to move away when you drop them in oil. I'm going to take this patty like so and just dip it in and put it in the oil. You guys see these tiny little things that are floating? We call them chimney, which means sparrow, and I'll show you what to do with those. We will be making a dry chutney with dry coconut, red chili powder, garlic, some roasted peanuts, and those little things, the sparrows that I talked about earlier. The chutney and the green chilies that we fried, and of course you need a paav to go with it. Paav means bread, and these are the paav that I made yesterday to go with the vada. Alright guys, it's time to eat. There is the paav. I have put some red chutney that we made, the green chili that we fried up, and of course the vada. So here you go. The Vada Pav Bombay style is ready, and of course I need my chai to go with it. You can't have Vada Pav and not have chai with it. In India, when they sell chai, they come with a carrier like this, all the small cups that are filled with this incredible mixture called chai. You have to have chai with your Vada Pav. It was awesome sharing my Vada Pav with you guys. I hope to see you guys again sometime soon in my kitchen. Until then, adios.